Good morning, you guys. A little different layout of a video today. I just kind of want to switch it up, so here we are. So today I am going to be installing, whatever you want to call it, these Curlsqueen clip-ins. They are textured clip-ins. They also do microlinks, tape-ins, all that good stuff. This is actually my first time trying anything from Curlsqueen. So thank you guys for sending this to me to check out. So yeah, so we got some clip-ins. I'm gonna show you what's in the bag. I already peeked, but I'm just gonna show you, like, this is my first time ever seeing it. Of course, we have the bag, storage bag to keep everything in. And they also sent this adjustable bonnet right here for you to wear at, you know, bedtime, in the house, all that good stuff, but in the house. We've got a little detangling comb, extra clips, and of course the clip-ins. So first off, these are the straight coarse clip-ins in 20 inches, I believe. Make sure you check the description box. I'll have all the details down there. At first look, I was like, are these silky? But no, they're not silky at all. They do have texture to them, and they actually have a good amount of weight to them as well, you guys. I'm a huge fan of a certain kind of weft, you guys, and I don't think these have it, which is not a huge deal. I just want to point it out. Oh no, they do have it. Also, you guys, I feel like I still sound a little nasally during this video. I did have COVID, and I'm just kind of getting past it, over it, so here we are, just trying to get back to normal. So these actually have like that double or triple weft, I want to say. The reason why I like stuff like this is because the more reinforced this part right here where the clip-ins are, the flatter your hair is going to end up being. And just holding this clip-in by itself, you guys, it's just a single clip-in, single row. This actually has a good amount of weight to it. I'm actually really impressed. I'm impressed today. I am impressed. So let's go ahead and wash these. I'm gonna use my Aussie shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm gonna hang them to dry, get myself together, and then we're gonna install these. All right, you guys, so all I did with my mini braids was just pin them up, did 2 little cornrows and pinned these bad boys up. Next, for my first clip, you guys, I always start a little bit above my nape so that it covers a little bit more of my head, because I do have a larger size head. I never start all the way at the bottom. I don't think it's necessary. So if you're starting all the way at the bottom when it comes to your clip-ins, you don't really need to do that. So far so good, you guys. I was loving the way they were feeling at this point and looking. So after I put about 2 rows in the very back, I go ahead and go to my leave out and start adding some clip-ins there. It's typically like the 2 clip-ins or the 3 clip-in wefts that I start to do. This just gives me a better idea of how much space I have left and how many clips. And you guys, I honestly thought I did not have enough clips yet. I swear to y'all, I was like, oh, I just need 1 more clip right here in the back of my head. And I was like, crap, man, that sucks. But then I ended up finding one, so I was super excited, super happy about it, because it kind of filled that gap back there. So next, you guys, I'm just gonna straighten my leave out. This is very straightforward, just adding my bio silk to my little leave out I got right here. And of course, using my Croc flat iron that I picked up like last year from Ulta. I'll put it down below in the description box with everything else just in case you're interested. I love this flat iron. It's super good. Another thing is, see, this is another reason why I love wearing my mini braids or my mini twists. You can switch up your style so quickly. I'm doing clip-ins today. I'm taking myself out of the house since I've had COVID. I had to get out, you guys. I had to get out today. But then once I take these bad boys out, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my little mini twist back in, and I am good to go. From here, I'm just going to add a little bit of gel to my hairline, and then just, of course, tie it down with a scarf. And then I'm going to just run my little detangling brush through my hair, and then use my flat iron again to lightly go over it. And then just add a few layers like right in the front, just to kind of break up the, you know, just the same length of these clip-ins. And that's pretty much it for this first look right here, you guys. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Looks good. Now it look good, don't it? Come on. I do want to say just a few things really quickly. One, of course, you guys saw me cut them just like right in the front to kind of sort of flow with my leave out. I have been putting a lot of heat on my head, and I feel like this section like right here is getting a little bit fried, if we're being honest again. But be careful with cutting your clip-ins. I'm only saying that because when you install them, maybe the next time or the time after that, whatever, and you want a different look, you will end up having, you know, different lengths, which is not a bad thing. But if you don't want that, then, you know, that's why I'm saying be careful. But different lengths also give you more of a natural look. The texture feels good, you guys. It looks good. I feel like it looks super believable. I am gonna add some curls in it at the end of this video, so just keep on watching. But it's not silky at all, you guys, but it still looks good. You know what I mean? It still looks like healthy hair. The only, and it's not really an issue, it's more so me, I would say it's like 60-40. It's simply that I felt like I needed one more long track and it would have been perfect. I feel like the middle of my head right here is a little bit flat, but then again, I do have a larger size head, people. I just do. I've always said it on my channel. We all don't have the same size head, and my head is just a little bit larger, so I'm always gonna require a little bit more hair when it comes to clip-ins, when it comes to wigs, when it comes to anything. I just always need a little bit more because I got a big old brain underneath. It just is what it is. So yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. I will put all the information on these down in the description box, you guys, as well as anything else that, you know, I may have used. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.